The UGREEN HiTune Max5c, model HP203, is a pair of budget-friendly, over-ear wireless headphones featuring hybrid adaptive active noise cancellation (ANC) and high-resolution audio support. Known for delivering high-end premium features at an entry-level price point, they provide up to 43 decibels of noise reduction alongside a massive battery capacity. Core specifications: audio hardware, built with 40mm dynamic drivers that deliver punchy low ends and deep bass. High-res audio, dual certified for both wired and wireless high-resolution audio utilizing LDAC decoding, 96 kHz/24-bit at 990 kilobits per second. For lossless playback on compatible Android devices. It also supports standard AAC and SBC codecs. Connectivity.
Hit the like button and subscribe to unlock future content.
Equipped with Bluetooth 5.4 for ultra-stable transmission, supporting dual device pairing to easily switch between your phone and laptop. Battery life. Packs a 600 mAh battery that delivers up to 75 hours of playback with ANC turned off, and up to 45 hours with ANC activated. A quick 5-minute charge over USB-C yields up to 5 hours of listening. Design and comfort. Features an ergonomic, foldable design weighing 264 grams with soft protein leather, memory foam ear cushions. Smart features. Via app, through the dedicated UGREEN companion app, users can customize their listening experience. Noise control modes. Toggle between 3 distinct ANC profiles: ambient/transparency mode, to hear surroundings, and normal mode. Custom EQ. Access 8 preset equalizer modes, such as bass, classic, and jazz, to tailor the sound signature. Gaming mode. Activates a low latency setting down to 80 milliseconds to ensure synchronized audio and video while playing games or watching movies.
Hit the like button and subscribe to unlock future content.